Let's go! Yippee! Disco party! Yes, that's right. The disco party is back.
Infected me. I'm part of your shop. I'm part of your shop.
I bought it.
Build a sky base, yeah.
Oh.
Wait, do you have the little thing?
Oh my gosh, I love the disco. I love disco's party.
I bought the pack. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
My house is...
You can't turn
Anyways, new update.
Guys, my house...
Yeah.
I was
What
not
pack?
expecting
The party pack? Would you believe the night that I was falling?
Oh my god, what is everybody? Anyways,
Yo, wait,
Yeah, because
new
I bought it.
update. Just check out the new.
Me.
Go to the top.
Anyways,
I know how to activate...
new biome.
You just have to buy that pack.
That's what I just did.
Look it. You wanna make a video with me?
Hey, bro,
Yeah,
I know
I
how
just
to
bought the pack. You missed the
activate
Discord.
disco party.
I saw it.
You go over to that pack and buy it.
Yeah.
Name of Yeepstone. Get it today. Get it today.
Is it?
Wait, what's the
Are
code?
you an advertisement?
Yeepstone. 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 Yeepstone.
What is it? New
Yeepstone.
tech web. Doors. Wireless sensors that took forever to learn how to use. Let's go. Alright, anyways. Some secrets. First off. But first.
I want to do a
And here.
roleplay.
No. So, the new bundle comes with this item called the radiation detector thing. And when you put it to normal objects, it doesn't really do anything. But when you specifically point it to neon green, it detects. Alright. I'll show you a better example. So, see that? Neon green? Cool!
Yo, bro, guys, there's a coin stash in here.
I hope this one...
Coin stash in here. Yo, guys, there's a coin stash in there, by the way. There's a coin stash in there. Yeah,
Ooh.
I need coins. Gimme.
Gimme, never get.
Bro, guys, do you think he knows? Do you think he knows? You think he knows?
Me, J-Man, Carly. Oh. You got slime. Sorry. Uh-oh, stinky. Anyways.
I'm too good at the game. No one can catch me. Yeah, that's what everyone says now.
I just... What you call me?
Conehead, help! He trapped me.
Hold up. What did you...
Conehead, somebody
What?
help! They trapped me here.
Oh! Get over...
I'll help.
Don't worry. I'll save you. No, that's my camera. Zoe,
You won't help me.
get out.
I saved you.
I'll save you.
I saved
Boom,
you.
I saved you.
Yo, can I have a camera?
I saved you.
I need a camera for a YouTube video.
Anyway.
Bro, I do not know what this is.
This is probably my favorite map out of all, except Blue House, because obviously it's best. I'm trying to make this short as possible. So, Easter egg. Turn on both buttons. Nice. There's a secret.
Go in a circle.
Press the button, and it opens up that. There's a secret right here, where you press the wall. Door opens.
Sweet.
Here's a butt coin right there.
Did that one?
Owie. That hurt.
Okay, so got this in my hand.
And also, this is a free way in. Here's how to get the purple key. I'm trying to speed run.
I do get the game. I'm joking. I am joking.
Damn,
am
alright,
pretty
I
good.
suck.
I'm not the
Now?
best at the game though.
No, you're
It's just
not.
funny.
No, you're not,
It's just
pal.
funny to say it.
You're not him. You're not Sigma.
Yeah, I'm
You're
not
not him.
him. I know that, you dumb.
Hey, you just said a swear word.
No, I didn't. I didn't even say it.
Yeah,
Over here.
he said a swear word, guys. I'm afraid.
Go through here.
Chloe.
Make me swear.
Nightmare, 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 nightmare. No. Anyways,
Now come on, let's go.
I'm not gonna spend my.
Let's go to triple key slot.
What's that?
this purple key.
Oh, I love it.
I barely made it in.
My
Hey,
eye.
Who wants to do a zombie role play?
I only know where two.
Not me.
What if it's there?
Purple key in here.
Get him.
Goes in, and I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Anyways, trying to make this. I'm trying to make this a short video, so I guess that's it.
Catch father.
Oh yeah, and also there's a temporary.
Hey, we're about to be in there. Thanks.
Hey!
Wait, wait up, wait.
I'm trying to make an outro.
Oh, sweet.
Because I'm
Get
late.
let me in.
Because
Someone
I'm
open that
making a
door.
video and
Someone open that door.
Use your purple.
What if I say no?
That's the only use for the.
Please.
Oh, you said
Frank, oh.
please, all right.
There's nothing
Alright.
in here. Yeah.
Yeah, no, butt coin. Butt coin.
I got.
Let me out. Let me out.
Goodbye.